Welcome back, guys, in a very quick video recap of the trader day analysis that I sent on the Telegram this morning during London session. As you can see, I was looking at identifying these PSA on EuroDollar. We'll talk about EuroDollar, and this was London Open, and I was identifying that, of course, we could have had a reaction here to take an entry above this PPL at 1.13375, or if we saw a break and retest below here, a subsequent break and retest, we could have taken a bearish entry, short entry at this next level. As you can see, what actually happened was this. We saw the price never broke below this level, so this trade idea was of course invalid. We had exactly the bounce and higher lows being printed. As you can see, higher lows being printed against the PPL. Of course, the trend line was invalid, but as you know, I don't trade exactly the trend line, and the trade idea was absolutely still valid. I was also, before, I was not on the chart. Before going out, I said, okay, let me place a small trade buy stop exactly at the PPL, because if the price goes there, maybe it has a small retracement and then goes in my direction. And this is putting the money where my mouth is. But what I took out the pending order, because I know, we talked yesterday that the price, especially on these levels, this is not gold, is much different behavior, and you have to acknowledge it. Price would have activated my level, my entry here. Would have I was not on the chart, would have taken out me and then went straight to my profit afterwards. The point is that, okay, I still have to backtest this. Do I want to give like 8 pips, 9 pips for these trades? The point is, okay, I give you 9 pips, but this is a 1-to-1 trade because I'm risking 9 pips because I'm not on the charts, and to gain 10 pips is not what I want. What I want is have at least 1 to 2. So that's why if I was live, I would have never entered here, because I would have never had a clean retest above the key level, above the PPL, like for example here. This one ended up in a fake out, fine, but with a much better price action. But as you can see, the trade idea was still valid, because even afterwards, you see these long wicks below here. Look at these long wicks that the candle made, and this very nice breakout here. This one is my usual entry. You take by pending order halfway through, especially also if you have these previous highs, you can place it slightly above, and this one would have been I think 10 or yeah, around 9.9 pips of profit. Fair enough, as per pre-planned analysis and confirmation of the price action as expected. So it was not impulsive entry, and is not a pending order that, you know, if you're not on the chart, I don't like it. It's not EuroDollar. I found out it is not behaving like gold or other pairs assets. Is much more, it's not as clean that it breaks out and goes straight away, but maybe it does this, then this, then this, and then this. So you don't want to always enter straight away at the level. You might do here because you have a retracement expected. This is absolutely fine if you want to take 1-to-1 trades. You take here 10 pips, 9 pips, and 10 pips above. It's a 1-to-1. I don't like it. But this is what was just a short video explaining my trade idea and how it worked out.